Need to replace the battery in your 2014-2020 BMW i3 key fob? It's a simple DIY task. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, costing just $1 to $5. Signs of a failing battery include reduced range and inconsistent locking. Software updates since 2023 via BMW's Connected Drive app can remotely check your battery health. Remember to recycle the old battery to reduce environmental impact. A recent voluntary recall in mid-2024 upgraded batteries to be more resilient to extreme temperatures. To replace the battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. First, gently pry open the key fob at the seam, usually near the keyring end. The CR2032 battery is held in place by a small clip. Note the correct orientation, positive side up, before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up, ensuring it's securely seated. Snap the fob back together and test the buttons. Avoid static and using metal tools near electronics. Also, use a fresh CR2032 from a reputable brand like Energizer or Panasonic.